Good afternoon, students. I am very happy to see you in this afternoon session in online class for grade 10. Last class, I taught you grammar, that is this simple compound and complex for the last two classes. Six models we completed, okay. We have two more models. This class I will complete the two more models, and we will see the exercise in your textbook, as well as I will give some more sentences for your understanding, okay. Last class I thought the first one model is a condition model. I taught you then two time reference, okay, happening at the less gap, one event after another event. I gave having plus a v3 form of verb, v after plus verb plus ing. Yes, that model I thought. Then I thought condition. Then I just started and gave one example, one model, that is this infinitive model. This is a 2 plus verb, so it is a infinitive model. 2 plus 2, complex means so that, can or could not, okay. Can means present tense, could means past tense. If it is compound sentence, if they ask, means very, and so, can or could plus not, okay. One example I gave: the beggar is very old, he cannot run. This is both the subjects are same, okay. Both subject, the beggar is very old, he cannot run, okay. Have you completed that homework? I gave some questions for you to answer. Have you completed? Is it easy? Okay, good. So if you have any doubt, interaction session, you come and ask these doubts, okay. Keep the grammar note with you, and if you have any doubt, you ask me. So what you should do means, you read the rules, okay. First 2-3 models, you just refer these rules or refer the examples and you write, okay. After that, you just write the question, close the your note, and you start to write, okay. Otherwise, you may think you are very familiar with this simple compound complex, but simple compound complex, if you change even a single word, it may be a wrong, okay. So you should be very cautious in simple compound and complex. So here both the subjects are same, so we are using the beggar is too old to run, okay. Here the beggar is so old that he cannot run. I think you this answers in your grammar note. Yes, take down. The beggar is very old and so he cannot run, okay, because this is a present tense, so we are using can't, okay. If two subjects are different, how to write, okay. One example I will give, okay. Write the example. The load is heavy, I cannot carry it, okay. Come. So the load is heavy, I cannot carry it, okay. Here one subject is load and the other one is I, okay. So we are going to join this sentence, okay. The load is heavy, I cannot carry it. First we should change it into simple sentence, okay. First one, the load is too heavy for me, okay. Have you understood? I is changed into me, so the load is too heavy for me to carry it. Have you understood? If the subjects are different, how we should change it, okay. The load is too heavy for me. If it is he, means we should write him, okay. For me to carry it. This is simple sentence, okay. Only through two ways are there. Both subjects are same, both subjects are different, okay. Like that we should write, okay. The second one is yes, complex sentence. The load is so heavy for me that I cannot. The load is so heavy for me that I cannot carry it. This is a complex sentence. How to write? The load is so heavy for me that I cannot carry it. Okay, this is complex. Then compound. The load is very heavy. The load is very heavy for me, and so I cannot carry it. This is compound. So with the rule you write the answer. Okay, model, if you see, you know very well. The load is heavy, I cannot carry it. That is two sentences. We are changing into a single sentence. The load is too heavy for me to carry it. Simple sentence. The load is so heavy for me that I cannot carry it. The load is very heavy for me, and so I cannot carry it. Write fast. Write soon. Write soon. The load is so heavy for me. Write fast. For this model, write one sentence. For this model, write one sentence. The sea is very violent, and so we cannot swim. The sea is very violent, and so we cannot swim. The sea is very violent, and so we cannot swim. Change it into other two sentences. Okay, first identify what type of sentence this one, then change it into other two. The sea is very violent, and so we cannot swim. Next question. The old man is so weak that he cannot lift the box. The old man is so weak that he cannot lift the box. Write fast. The old man is so weak that he cannot lift the box. Have you completed? We are moving into 7th one. 8 models I am going to teach you. 8 models or 8 types we will learn. Okay, don't worry. Very easy, because in your textbook it is 8 model questions are there. So you learn this 8 models. This is very important. Symbol type besides. Besides being. This is one model. Besides being, besides plus verb plus ing. Two ways we can write. One is besides being we can use, or else we should use besides plus verb plus ing. Here we have no complex sentence. Okay, this model we have only simple and compound. Besides being, besides plus verb plus ing. Okay, no complex sentence. In some teachers they may use some ways a relative pronoun to join the sentence using complex. Don't bother about that. For us only simple and compound will come. Okay, for compound, what is the word means? Not only, what, but also. What word come? This is conjunctions. Not only, but also. Correlative conjunctions. Not only, but also will come. Okay. So besides being, besides plus verb plus ing. So no complex sentence. Okay. So we have compound sentence. Not only, but also. Okay. Write fast. Write fast. The first sentence, the thief The thief robbed the old man. The thief robbed the old man. He wounded him severely. Okay. The thief robbed the old man. He wounded him severely. Both the thief and he is same. Okay. The thief robbed the old man. He wounded him severely. Okay. Besides, you know very well. Okay. The thief. Besides robbing the old man. Besides robbing the old man, he wounded him severely. Okay. What answer? Besides, according to the rule, verb plus ing. So verb is rob. So we are changing into robbing. Besides robbing the old man, comma, he wounded him severely. Okay. This is simple sentence. This is what sentence? A simple sentence. Okay. Besides robbing the old man, he wounded him severely. The next one is okay. The thief not only robbed the old man, but also wounded him severely. This is complex. What is the next model? Yes, compound sentence. Not only but also. The thief not only robbed the old man, but also wounded him severely. Right, fast. So two models I said. Okay, the thief robbed the old man. He wounded him severely. Besides robbing the old man, he wounded him severely. The thief not only wounded the old man, but also not only robbed the old man, but also wounded him severely. Right, fast. Next question. Yuvraj is a good batsman. Yuvraj is a good batsman. He is a great fielder. Okay, two sentences are there. Yuvraj is a great batsman. He is a great fielder. Those who know, you write. Those who need help, this example also I will teach you. Okay. Yes, what is this? Besides. Okay, here we should be very clear. Yuvraj and both subjects are same. Okay. So besides, what is the verb here? Besides. Any verb is there? Only be form verb is there. So we should use besides being. If it is a be form verb, we should use being. Besides being a good batsman, Yuvraj is a great fielder. Okay, so this is complex. Simple sentence. Okay, what is this one? Besides being a good batsman. Besides being a good batsman, Yuvraj is a great fielder. This is a simple sentence because it has only one main class and only one group of phrase. Besides being a great batsman, Yuvraj is a great fielder. Yuvraj not only Yuvraj not only a good batsman. Yuvraj not only a good batsman, but also Yuvraj not only a good batsman, but also he is a great fielder. So this is complex, great fielder. This is complex sentence. Write fast. So Yuvraj is a good batsman. He is a great fielder. Besides being a good batsman, Yuvraj is a great fielder. Yuvraj not only a good batsman, but also is a great fielder. Write fast. Okay, sorry, here one, you forgot to put the verb here, okay. Yuvraj is not only a good batsman, but also he is a great fielder. Sorry, put verb because in that sentence no verb, so we should use the verb, okay. Besides being a good batsman, Yuvraj is a great fielder. Yuvraj is not only a great batsman, but also he is a great fielder. Write fast. Two example I am giving. Write the two example and change it into other two sentences. First, here one sentence. One sentence is here. Shreya is not only a singer but also a dancer. Shreya, S-H-R-E-Y-A. Shreya is not only a singer but also a dancer. Shreya is not only a singer but also a dancer. The same model. Besides selling vegetables, my uncle runs a hotel also. Besides selling vegetables, my uncle runs a hotel. My uncle runs a hotel. Okay, then next one is the last model. Okay, eighth model we will see. Type 8. Write fast. Then we will move into our textbook. What are the examples in the textbook? We will see that. Okay. So type 8, a simple, compound, complex. Okay. Right. The first one is subject plus verb plus object. Okay. So 8 models are there. Okay, very easy, I think so. If you are practice it regularly, or if you are practice as per what examples we are giving, definitely you will. It is very easy for you, not very difficult. Subject, verb plus object. Okay, subject, verb plus object. Here relative subject, verb. Here we should use, okay, subject, verb plus object is in the simple sentence. Subject, verb plus object plus relative pronoun. What are relative pronouns? Relative pronoun plus subordinate clause. Relative pronoun, if you are using, means it becomes a subordinate clause. Okay, relative pronoun plus subordinate clause. Here subject, verb plus object, then we should use and plus it is, according to the verb we should use. Okay, it is follow like this. It is or was, this be form verb will come. Okay, is, was, like that. According to the verb it will come. Okay, so subject, verb plus object, subject, verb plus object plus relative pronoun plus subordinate clause, subject, verb plus object, and plus it is or it was. Okay, according to the verb it will come. Okay, if it is present tense is, if it is past tense was will come. Okay, write fast. Write fast. The first question. I bought a house. I bought a house, full stop. It was old. I bought a house. It was old. Two sentences into a single sentence. Okay. So I bought a house. It was old. Two sentences. We should change it into a single sentence. Okay. So I bought a house. It was old. I bought an old house. Okay, this is simple sentence. So see children. According to simple sentence, we need only subject, verb, and object. I bought a house. It was old. Okay. So we should write I bought an old house. Okay. O sound. So we should use I bought an old house. When we are changing into complex, okay, right? I bought a house which, so relative pronoun, which was old. Which was old. This is complex sentence. So you know very well what are relative pronouns? Who, which, that. What are relative pronouns? Right. What are relative pronouns? You know very well what are relative pronouns. Who, which, that. Okay. Who is for person, which and that for animals or things we should use. Okay. Then okay, I bought a house which was old. Okay. Okay, I bought an old house. Complex. I bought a house which was old. Which was old. And then we should change it into a compound sentence. Okay. I bought a house. I bought a house. It was. I bought a house. And it was old. Okay. I bought a house and it was old. Okay. I bought a house. It was old. I bought an old house. Okay. I bought a house which was old. That is a complex sentence. When you are changing into a compound sentence, okay, I bought a house and it was old. Okay. Next question. Okay. Okay. Right. And I bought a house, and it was old. Okay. Next question. Okay. Right. Fast. Next one is we sell fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables. Okay, we sell fresh vegetables. Okay, so subject, verb, and object. We sell vegetables. Okay, so how to change? We sell. We sell fresh vegetables. Okay, I we sell fresh vegetables. They are we sell vegetables. They are fresh. Okay, two sentences. Okay, we sell vegetables. They are fresh. We sell vegetables. They are fresh. We are changing into. So we sell. First single sentence. We sell fresh vegetables. First one is we sell fresh vegetables. This is simple sentence. What is the simple sentence? We sell fresh vegetables. Okay, second one is okay. We sell vegetables that are fresh. We sell vegetables. I said a relative pronoun. We should use the relative pronoun. We sell vegetables that are fresh. Next one is we sell vegetables and we sell vegetables. What we should use? And it was fresh. And it was fresh. Okay, so I bought a house, it was old. I bought an old house. I bought a house which was old. So I sell vegetables, they are fresh. We sell fresh vegetables. Next, compound sentence, complex. We sell vegetables that are fresh. We sell vegetables and it was fresh. Okay. I write two examples. Two examples you write fast. First one is Mr. Shekhar is our teacher and he is very kind. Mr. Shekhar is our teacher, he is very kind. Mr. Shekhar is our teacher, he is very kind. Next question. Mr. Morgan, who is a famous doctor, runs a clinic in Coimbatore. Mr. Morgan, who is famous doctor, runs a clinic in Coimbatore. After writing the question, take the textbook. We have exercises in 7th unit. Take page number 200. Take page number 200. In example, we have 5 models are there, but in exercises we have 7 models are there. Okay, page number 201. Some questions are there. On seeing the teacher, the children stood up. Into complex. Clear? On seeing the teacher, the children stood up. That is first question. We have studied as I think 3rd model. Okay, so just do it. At the age of 6, Varsha started learning music. At the age of 6, Varsha started learning music. Right? As Varun is a ferocious reader, he buys a lot of book. That one very easy. That is first model. Walk carefully lest you will fall down. Condition. Beside being a dancer, he is a singer. That also right. He is sick but he attends the rehearsal. He is sick but, okay, these keywords you just see. So don't copy from the guide. What you should do means with the help of our grammar note, just to do these exercises. You refer it and write the answer. Okay. Don't be lazy and just don't write the answer from the guide. Have you understood? Definitely you will get a very good idea if you do it. Then B model, what I taught you. Join the sentence. Radha was ill, she was not hospitalized. Join the sentence. Any one sentence you should join. Okay. So I think you are somewhat familiar with simple compound complex. Okay. Thank you, students.